My name's Alison. I've worked in the sector since I was around 19. I went to the London College of Fashion. Then I started off in a wholesale company in Great Portland Street, moving on to the shop floor at Harvey Nichols, where I stayed for a few years looking after some high-end brands. Then I moved into Arcadia head office. I was in head office merchandising and head office buying. I originally started the boutique in 2005, and I wanted to just bring something different to the high street, an independent store that offers that personal service, brands that you don't tend to see on the high street. So, you know, the Scandinavian style is so key at the moment. So all the Scandi brands, French brands, I offer English brands as well. So something different to what you find in the high street stores, but also that personal service as well. I think that's missing from a lot of the stores. So just to come in, for someone to come into a store, have a friendly face and be able to help with what you need, I think is really important, and that's what we miss nowadays on the high street. Visual merchandising, I think, is massive within a store, both on the outside, looking in on a window, people walking past, that's your first view of a shop, and your first sort of 10 seconds when you see somewhere, you're like, yeah, you want that pull in from somewhere. So obviously dressing the mannequin, dressing the windows is very important because it will bring those people in. And then as soon as you walk into the store, it's all about the aesthetics of the store. I think people do make their minds up as soon as they come in. From those first few, as I say, the 10 to 20 seconds they walk in, they've got to be drawn in, haven't they? So from the window into the store, and the way the visual merchandising, the way your store is set out, be it with the clothing, you know, if it's in brand order or if it's in colour, style order, I just think it needs to pull that person in and think, right, I've got an outfit here, I can pull out an outfit from a jumper to a trouser to a skirt, just to pull that whole outfit together. This year with the Hertford visual merchandise students, I had quite an open brief with them. Wasn't quite sure what I wanted myself. Previous years has been a bit glitz and glam, but I just wanted to move away from that this year and have something a bit more independent, a bit more structured, or to my boutique, so a bit more in theme with the boutique. So we've got that bit of animal that's in there, which is quite present in my store quite a bit. So we've got those lovely pink animal baubles, and with a bit of splash of green and gold colour. So yeah, I just left it quite open to them and just thought, see what they can come up with this year. I like to offer the students this opportunity. I've got 2 young children myself, they're 18 and 16, and I know what it's like starting out in the world. You need that on-hands experience. It's all well and good being in a college, learning, but I think just to get into a store, get into that workplace and see how it really works within the store is really important. So I just enjoyed just working with these students, chatting with them and coming up with ideas together. Just think it's really important, and it's just that hands-on experience. My advice for anyone starting out in the fashion sector, whether it be, you know, visual merchandising, designing, or working in the back office, as I did I was, as I say, assistant buyer for Wallace, I think is just get into college, go to your fashion academy, learn those skills for a couple of years. But whilst you're doing that, just get out, just get into some work experience, just get into a store, whether it's paid or whether it's work experience. Just go into a high street store or an independent like us, and we will always help and guide you because we've got that knowledge that obviously we could hand to you. But I think hands-on experience is most important, and it all adds on your CV. So when an employer sees that CV, they'll know you've had your structured college course, but I just think hands-on experience is probably the most important thing, and just follow your heart. Yeah, go with it.